Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a well-appointed home located in the sought after area of Alexander Park, St. Thomas. This property boasts 6 beds and 5 baths with high ceilings, an impressive living and dining area, enclosed double carports, and sits on a corner lot. It also comes with views of the ocean from the upper level. The home could also be used as an income earner if one chooses, as there is a 2 bed, 1 bath, kitchen, living, and patio with separate entrance. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 420,000 or Jamaican $64.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.